Student, this is our second video of history of novel. Now let us start. Plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel was initiated by the Pilgrim's Progress and Orangu. Pilgrim's Progress was written by John Bunyan in 1678 and Orangu was written by Alfred Bain in 1688. These two novels was initiated by plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel, and it was followed by Daniel Duffy and Jonathan Swift. Daniel Duffy has written Robinson Crusoe, it was a Moll Flanders, and Jonathan Swift has written Gulliver's Travel, it was a famous satire. The major novelist of 18th century was Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, Samuel Richardson and Tobias Smollett. Richardson has written epistolary novels. First is Pamela or Virtue Rewarded and other is Clarissa. The tradition was further enhanced by many stalwart novelists such as Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Vicky Collins and H.G. Wells. The 20th century marked by the modern topics, techniques, innovative styles, and it also widened the angles of the views of different novelists. The 20th century widened the angles of the views of the different novelists. Here are some examples: E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, George Orwell, Henry James, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, Anthony Burgess. These novelists widened the circumference of the genre by writing political, social, psychological and other modern issues in their novels. There are some immigrant authors: Salman Rushdie from India, V.S. Naipaul, Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro from Japan. The contribution of women novelists to this pageant cannot be neglected. Let us discuss. Novelist and her description. Frances Burney, Novel of Manners. Gothic novel was written by Anne Radcliffe. Mary Shelley has written novel based on science of age and landmark novels. Jane Austen ruled over the minds of the people through her novel. Bronte sisters, Emily and Charlotte, are Bronte sisters. They both had created their own place by their incomparable works. Mary Ann Evans had reflected psychological insight through her novel. Virginia Woolf is known as the pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique. Agatha Christie had written novels based on crime. She had created evergreen detectives like Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison, Alice Walker elevated the tradition further to prosperity. Now let us discuss about their novels. Frances Burney had written Evelina, Anne Radcliffe, The Italian, Mary Shelley, Frankenstein, Jane Austen, Pride and Prejudice, Bronte sisters' names, Pride and Prejudice, Mary Ann Evans, The Mill of the Floss, Virginia Woolf, Orlando, Agatha Christie, The Pale of Horse. Now let us discuss about Indian scenario. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. He was a novelist. He had written Raj Mohan's Wife. It was the first novel in English written by an Indian. It was serialized. The name of the serial was The Indian Field. Indian novels bore the reader. There are two reasons. First is nationalistic virtue as main framework and social issue as main framework. Mulk Raj Anand R.K. Narayan, Rajarao. These three are known as major trio, who prevailed the period after that. Novelists like Anita Desai, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malegaonkar, Nayantara Sehgal, these all novelists changed the current of Indian English novels through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, Upamanyu Chatterjee, these three novelists ameliorated the Indian novels in English by adding new features. Ameliorated makes better. These three novelists makes novel better in English. Recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by different Indian novelists such as Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar. The tradition of Indian novel has undergone a vital change since its birth. It has undoubtedly very bright future.